This looks like a really nice fall bundle. So I'm really excited to get this open, share it with you guys. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and a try on for Fashom. Okay, you guys might want to say, okay, what is Fashom? Well, it's a personal styling service. Their styling fee is $20. It is applied to anything that you purchase from that particular box. If you keep 3 or 4 items, it is a 25% discount. If you keep all 5, 30%. So let's hope all this fits. So I'm going to show you the items real quick. All the information will be on the screen and it will also be in the description. When you receive your box, you have 3 days to do a try on and send it back. They do send you a prepaid envelope, put everything in. I think this is the USPS service. Priority mail, yes. So either drop it off, I always get a receipt, or give it to your post person, post officer, your postman. Okay, let's see what is in my box. Okay, this is pretty cute. I think this is pretty cute. We're off to a pretty good start. I like that. Nice, easy wear. This is a pretty fall color. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is a little thicker. This feels like this is all that stretchy material. The only thing that worries me about this one is it gonna show my potato chip bundles that I have going on here, the middle of my belly. This one is thicker. Uh-oh, jeans. I don't know if I'll get these on. We'll see. These are from Just Black. Oh, no, these are not gonna fit. I just had a pair of Just Black from another box and I could not get them snapped or zipped. Let's see. Although these are straight legs, so maybe there's more stretch in these. I don't know. Look how, yeah, I've got a lot of extra over here. So, you know what? Well, we'll give it a good try. Maybe they sized up on me. That would be nice. Oh, this is pretty. Look at I love infinity scarves. Love this, like the color. Wow, Fashom. I'm impressed. The hard part's gonna see, well, not the hard part, but we'll see if it all fits. If you know what I mean. What's this? Oh, oh. It's a dress, a knit dress. And you know what the knits do? They cling to those chubby areas, the little love handles that we have. Oh, but it's flowy. Okay, this might work. Okay, this might work. I'll just have to make sure I put some Spanx on. It's a pretty color, nice fall. And a denim jacket. Who's this by? Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. I like the wash on it. The hardware. It has pockets. Let's see if it has pockets inside. Yes, it does. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know, Fashom. You really brought it. Who's my stylist? Let's see. Kristen. Okay, Kristen, if you're watching, I'm pretty excited about trying all these on, so let's get started. Well, well, well. This is pretty darn cute. I like this a lot. This is by Chris and Carol. It's the Mercy Leopard print top. It is really nice. It's soft. I like the half sleeve. I like just the two-tone, you know, the print with the solid. I mean, it's not too clingy, so I like it a lot. Look how long it is. I don't know how well you can see that. It kind of goes up here, longer in the back. This is pretty darn cute. I like this a lot. Good job, Kristen. Okay, let's talk about these jeans by Just Black. Oh boy, I did not think I was going to be able to get them on, but I did. And actually, the more I've had them on, they feel pretty good. But I know that if I kept them, I would need to size up because this waistline it's really high, which is a good thing. I mean, it's really high, but it's too tight for my waist. And they are straight legs, so they're perfect for gym shoes, flat shoes. They are too tight, definitely. They are 5 pocket. Straight leg, did I tell you that? Straight leg? Yeah, I would not be able to breathe in these, so. Oh, let's try the denim jacket on while I have this shirt on. This is a nice jacket. This is by Just USA. I like that it has the buttons up here, the hardware that's on it, the pockets on the side. They're slanted, so you could put something in there, one on each side. These are working pockets. And this is my favorite part, the pockets inside. Because when I go to the store, sometimes I go without a wallet. I just grab a credit card, driver's license, insurance card, and keys and glasses and phone. So keys, phone, glasses are always in my hand, credit cards can go in one of these pockets, and I'm good to go. This is pretty nice. It has stretch in it. I like the stitching on it. I like how it's kind of faded in different areas. It's pretty nice. Okay, here's the thing about this jacket also. The sleeve is really long. I'm 5'4". I think I just have kind of average arms. They're not short, they're not long. And this is pretty long. But if you're like me, I always roll my sleeves up. So when you do that, it's actually a really good length. And they do button. This is a nice jacket. Okay, Kristen, you're killing it. All right, let's see what's next. I love this sweater. I don't know if it works well with my body, I'm sucking it all in. It's all sucked in. But I have to tell you, I love this sweater. It is so soft, beautiful color. It's not really an orange, it's not a red. So I'm not sure what color it is. I think it's more like almost like a rust. I like the V-neck. It's really soft. It has a nice trim on the bottom and on the sleeves. It's just a really pretty color. I don't know, I like it. I like it, Kristen. It will look better if I wear jeans that fit me so you don't see my potato chip belly going on. So, okay, we are 4 for 4. I did 4? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've only tried 3 on. So I've got 2 more items. Let's give it a try. Okay, I went into this with a closed mind on this dress. Let me tell you, I love this dress. I am shocked. Shocked how much I like this dress. This is by Kristen Carroll, and actually the infinity scarf goes with this, but I went to try it without it. It feels really nice, it fits great, and it has pockets, ladies, pockets. There's no lining or anything. It does have the high-low, which I'm not a fan of, but I don't know, it's just a nice, easy dress to wear. Look at the back. Okay, I know I don't have the right shoes on for this. This dress would look really nice with some leggings and, not leggings, leotards, or what do you call those? Leggings, I think. Tights, that's what I'm thinking of, tights. And maybe some high boots. That would look cute. Okay, let's try it on with the scarf. This is a nice scarf. I don't know. I don't really care for it with the scarf. I think it's too light for this color. That's what I'm thinking. But I like the scarf a lot. I would wear it separate. But this is so cute. Oh, what do you guys think? And with the pockets. And a pair of Spanx will make me feel better. Okay, let's do a review and I'll give you my thoughts on this box and some pricing and discounts. This might be a 5 for 5, you guys. I don't know, I need your help. Okay, there are 2 items I absolutely love. The first one is the leopard top, and full price is how much? $39. So that will be discounted depending on what else I keep. Okay, and then the V-neck. The V-neck is $42. So for just these 2 items, it comes to $81 because there's no discount with 2 items. But if I add a 3rd item, that 3rd item would be, had to go get it, the denim jacket. I don't need another denim jacket, I have 2, but this denim jacket, the price is right. Full price, without discounts, is $59. And if I bought it, and I had 3 items, my total would be $140 minus the 25%, which I get all 3 for $105. So basically I'm getting this for $35 instead of $59. And I like the pockets in it. The pockets, I could, you know, I have one denim jacket cut from the cloth, but it doesn't have interior pockets. So it kind of drives me crazy not to have those pockets. Okay, the other thought is, if I keep everything, I could size up in the jeans and the dress, so my total would be $172.90, which is like an additional $67, $68. Okay, the longer I wear this dress, the scratchier it feels. As cute as it is, I mean, it's cute. The downfall is that I don't like the high-low. So, in the jeans, I don't know if I size up, if those would actually fit. So I'm kind of on the fence. Do I just keep my favorite 2 items and call it a day? Do I add the denim jacket for the discount, even though I don't need it, but I like it and I will wear it? So, or do I just keep it all? What do you guys think? I need your help. I need your opinion. So let me know. And this is a great, great box. I think this is my favorite Fashom box I've ever received. So Kristen, thank you, thank you, thank you. You really nailed my style with this box. So I just can't thank you enough. So thanks everyone. Oh, if you want to try Fashom, use my referral link and I think you get a $10 credit. Maybe we both do. I will double check on that and I will leave it in the description. So thanks for watching everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.